barrel at? Besides your mom's kneecap.
Yeah, we don't point the gun at mommy.
This way?
Nope. There you go.
Close it. Pull back the hammer.
Is this okay?
Probably wouldn't have my thumb over the sight. Just like shooting a BB gun. Look, cheek on the barrel. Or cheek on the... Same old story. Cheek here. Tight to shoulder. You see just a bead? Yeah, are you pointing at the pop bottle? We'll put the bead on the pop bottle. That bead is 4 feet from the pop bottle. To the left.
You've got a loaded gun. Quit swinging it around.
You're in the general vicinity. Reach over. I'll take the safety off. Put your finger on the trigger. And pull the trigger.
Am I up to my floor?
You tell me.
Oh! Ow!
You hit short. You see all those baby tracks?